Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change privacy settings on Instagram. For this, first of all, open up the Instagram application here and then simply tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Go for these three bars in the top right corner. You will land here on this settings and privacy page. And now you have to scroll down until you see this who can see your content. You can see this private account privacy. Simply tap on it and now you can see at the very top private account, so you can toggle that on or off to either set your account to private or not. Now keep in mind, if your account is private, then people have to request to follow you to see any of your content, your post, your stories, your reels. Or if your account is not private, they will be able to see all of that before requesting to follow you. So you can do things. You can go for this close friends options, blocked options, hide story and live. Like you can hide your story and live from anyone, you can select it, and these are the options. And then message and story replies, comments, like you can set your comments here, like if you want to block your comments from any specific person or maybe two or three persons, you can do that. But if you want to private your account, just toggle this on and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.